Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create Leonardo AI for consistent character. If you want to create similar images for a specific face or image, or maybe you want to do some social media AI generated influencer, then I'll show you how easily you can create same face images with the help of Leonardo AI. If you want to access this platform, you have to go to your browser and there you have to search for leonardo.ai. Then you will get onto this website. You can see this is the home page. Now you just have to simply click onto this option, which is the get started. After that, you just have to simply sign up using any of these options. It up to you, whatever option you prefer, you can just simply go with it. And after that, you just have to simply create your account. Then it will just take a while and it will take you to your homepage. Then you just have to simply get agree to their terms of services and click on let's go. And after that you will be on to this page. Now here you can create the images, but if you want to get to their homepage, then you have to simply click onto this option, which is leonardo.ai, and you will get to their homepage. There we have different sort of community creations, different sort of tools and other things, so you can get the idea or reference, maybe inspiration, like what you want to create. Now once you get there, you can see there we have all these AI tools. From all these options, we have to click onto this image icon. Once you tap onto it, you will get to this page. Now here you have to just simply play with these things to generate a consistent characters. First, we have the models. From these models, I would suggest that you should use this portrait perfect one, because with the help of it, you can create the consistent characters. Others may be helpful, but not as much as this one, so it's better you should go with it. And once you have selected, then we have these different sort of designs. You can choose any one of these. I'm going with the portrait bouquet. And in this option, you can choose the medium one. And after that, we have two options: fast and quality. If you click on fast, then it will generate images fast, but if you click on quality, it will take a lot of time, but it will create better images. Also, it is a paid one, so you can choose any one of these. Then you can choose the dimensions and different options like the size one, so it's up to you. You can use any one of these options. Then you can use how much images you would like to create, but 4 is the free version, the other ones are paid. Then you have to go to this advanced section. Then you first have to simply make sure that you have clicked onto this option. This option should be enabled. If this is not enabled, then it may not create as much great picture as we want, but still we can create without it. So once you're done with all these things, now what you have to do is that you have to give a prompt. In the prompt, you have to just simply explain what you would like to create. It could be an image of yours, or maybe anything else, like any model, any sort of social media influencer. Just simply get your script and just simply paste here. After pasting, click onto this option, which is the generate. Then it will just take a while, like few seconds, and once the time passes, you will see the images will be generated. This process will just take a while, like a minute or maybe few seconds, and after that you will see the images will be created. Here you can see the images are the consistent characters. You can see all the face in these images are similar, like it shows the same person with different angles and different images. So this is how you can create the consistent character. But actually this is the first time you're creating. If you want to create more, then I'll show you how easily you can do it. First, you have to download one of these images that you like the most, give the same prompt, or you can also change it as per your choice. And then you have to click onto that icon, which is along with your text, and just simply paste that image that we just created. But before, you have to choose this one, which is the character reference. You have to simply select it. This is a paid one, but you can still get its free version. Simply choose it and paste your image. So once you have selected the image, now you have to give it a prompt. You can use the similar prompt that we have used before, but if you want the different aesthetics, like different background or maybe anything different, then you can create a new one, or you can also do changing in the existing one. And once you're done with all your prompt settings, editing, then you again have to click on to generate, and it will generate images. Now this time you will see if it creates the consistent character or not. So for that I have clicked on to generate. Now I just have to wait for a while. It will just take a while, like few seconds, and then the images will be generated, and then you will see the face will be similar, like the character will be consistent. And if you would like to do it more and more, then I'll show you how it could be possible. Here you can see the images are very much similar. So if you see the same issue, then what you have to do is that you have to do changings in your prompt. Or what else you can do is that you can change the image that you have used earlier, like the same character but with the different angles. Here you can see we have the 8 images. So if you have the same case or maybe more or less picture, then you can use any one of these, and then again just give it a prompt, do changes in the prompt and click on to generate, and after that it will generate the consistent character. And here you can see all of the character is similar. So that's how you can also do it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it. For more informative videos and updates, you can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.